Well, hey guys, looking on from last time's video when we had the problem with the servo pipe coming into the inlet manifold, it wasn't fitted securely. So what I'm going to do this time is actually take the inlet manifold off, drill in a TR6 adapter into it and make it fit nice and securely. And while we're there, we're also going to paint the inlet manifold and make it look nice. So let's crack on with it. So there we are. I've tapped in a TR6 vacuum adapter and renewed the vacuum hose to the servo. I still need to renew this bit of the hose onto the servo, but that's for another time. I need to repaint the servo because this is looking a bit manky, but for the time being, you know, the inlet manifold's been repainted and looks absolutely lovely. I've took the liberty of renewing this little hose here, the breather from the rocker cover, because the old one was a bit stressed and a bit tired. I've added in a heat shield. Now this is a stainless heat shield onto the car. I know this isn't non-standard, and I tend to be someone who likes standard parts, but I see this as a bit of a safety item, because if these carburetors spring a leak, they're going to leak fuel down, it'll leak onto the exhaust, and that could potentially cause a fire. So to stop that from happening, you put a heat shield in, and also, you know, to do what the actual job of the heat shield is to do, to take heat away from the carburetors to allow the car to start easier and stop fuel vaporization. So there's several reasons for putting in that heat shield, but all positive and all from a safety point of view. So yeah, really happy with putting that in place. So yeah, overall everything looks much neater and much tidier on the car. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, I think the next job to do to this car to get it a little bit more reliable is to fit the wiring loom to it. But for the time being, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.